Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm wanting to show you guys some new things I've picked up. A new product I was given for Valentine's Day from my mom, and just show you some new stuff I've gotten. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up if you have not already, and let's get into the video, guys. So I've got my Ulta bag here, actually to return something for my mom, and I was like looking around because they had recently redid our Ulta just a little bit, and they put in some more of BH Cosmetics line, and they actually had the new Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics, the Love Signs one, and I've been looking at this one online, and I had been like really wanting it. And I just have never placed the online order. So here's what the palette looks like inside. It's so pretty. I'm really loving some of these outer shades, especially this pink and these blues up here. And I love that it has matte shades as well. My mom got me this collab that Francesco Talat, I cannot even pronounce that. She collabed with Ofra and released this 3 set of lip products or lipsticks for Valentine's. And I love Ofra liquid lipsticks, and it comes with Vermilion, which is a vibrant red, ruby, which is a berry wine shade, and Baroque, maybe it's Baroque, which is a pink nude with gold flakes. All beautiful. I'm kind of excited about the red shade because I don't really have a red that's that like orangey red color. Okay, and then also what else I got from Ulta, I got this really cute little mini mask set. It's by the brand, I want to say it's I Do Care, which they released this line of like ice cream scented face masks, and each one are like a different scent. So it comes with these 3 little different scented face masks. This one is called Berry Groovy, and then this one is Cake My Day, and then we've got Matcha Mood. So the blue one smells like birthday cake, the green one smells like green tea, and then the pink Berry Groovy one smells like berries, of course. And I am really excited about this. So here's like what the inside looks like of the cake one. I had seen they had released these on... And then I also got this cute little set of barrettes. I don't know if you guys have noticed like the really cute hair accessories Ulta has, but they have some really cute stuff. And I saw these and I just had to get them. They're so cute. And then NYX has released a lot of new stuff, and I've been loving NYX lately. I've been obsessing over this little $7 little mini NYX eyeshadow palette. It's just so pigmented. It's so good. So I picked up this eyeliner. It is just a mechanical pencil eyeliner, but it's this green shade, and I don't really have a green that color. I would have gotten more colors, but they're already sold out, so maybe I can pick up the other colors later. And then also Revlon had released this new line, and it's like, I don't know what line exactly it is. I don't know, but like they released this like almost like galactic line I'd seen in Ulta, and it's like where everything is like all purpley looking. So I picked up some of the lip products and a couple of the eyeshadows, and the single eyeshadows just look beautiful. So here is this one. It is called Mesmerized. Oh, it's so beautiful. Here's what it looks like swatched. And then I also picked up another one, and the shade of it is called Fairy Vibes. Here's what it looks like. And like they feel so creamy. This one is actually a little bit more like more translucent than what I thought it was gonna be. It's the bottom shade here. I would say this would make a really pretty like shadow topper. Then I also picked up some of the lip products in the line. I got a couple of these. They had glow lip oils and then glow jellies. This one is called Psychic Power, which is just, it is so pigmented. It's this top one, so beautiful. And then this glow lip oil is called Pretty Wicked. It's like a nude color, but it like leaves your lips looking so like shiny. Here's what it looks like. So pretty. So guys, that is it for my Ulta haul. So I'm going to go ahead and do an eye look with the BH Cosmetics palette real quick. I'm probably just going to do like a quick little tutorial. I don't want to be too long because I don't want this video turning into like a 20-minute long video. So I think what I'm going to go ahead and do is, I'm really feeling this like the shade, the Gemini shade, which is this hot pink down here. By the way guys, I got my nails done. Aren't they so cute? I'm just obsessing over these nails. Just had to throw that in there. I'm going to take this matte shade right here and I just stabbed my nail into it. There you go. It's this hot pink matte shade, and I think I'm just going to start by working that all into the like crease area. Okay, and then I'm going to go into the Aries shade, which is this a little bit lighter pink here. And I think I'm just going to take an angled brush and just kind of, I kind of want to work that on into the crease. I don't know why I've been loving pinks lately. My mom's going to think I went off my rocker. So I'm usually not a pink person. Like I even have pink on my nails. Okay, and then I'm just going to go into the Gemini shade, which is that really purpley pink shade. Go in with that same angled brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna take more of a denser brush. Here, my e.l.f. brush, and I'm just gonna go back into that hot pink shade and then pull that down here on my lower lash line just to kind of pull the whole look together. Okay, now we're gonna do something like really fun, and I'm gonna go into the Capricorn shade, which is that really pretty blue, and I'm just gonna pop that right into the inner corner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it really turned out pretty. Loving the pinks, even though I'm like wearing gold today. Let's go ahead and, so here's what it looks like. It just looks really shiny. It won't dry down because it's a lip oil, but it feels so refreshing on the lips. And we'll go ahead and apply a little bit of this, just because I think I'm just gonna kind of like tap it, kind of like just in the middle to add a little bit of dimension. So here's the look, guys. I know I don't have any mascara on or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.